The shaft furnace consists of 8 universal-purpose furnace units. Various heat treatment processes can be performed here, such as annealing in an inert gas atmosphere, hardening in an inert gas atmosphere, carburizing with nitrogen methanol propane treatment, tempering in an inert gas atmosphere, and short and long-time gas nitriding. These furnaces are integrated into a process control system. Previously saved programs can be used for heat treatments with excellent reproducibility over and over again. Technical data. The furnace has a diameter of 1400 mm and a depth of 2000 mm. The nominal temperature is 1000 degrees Celsius, whilst the maximum batch load is around 8000 kilograms.